Good morning, class 8. Today we will study lesson 8, that is decision statements. Now, in your first term, you have already gone through the chapter of Java in which you have learned how to make programs. So, what is a program? It is called a collection of instructions which tells the computer to perform some task. In Java, we write program in an editor called BlueJ. Now this BlueJ is a free Java environment which is developed by the Monash University in Australia. Now let's see different parts of a program. So every Java program is made up of following parts. First, commands line. These are those lines which are not executed by the Java compiler, and they are useful for programmers to tell that what they are doing in a particular statement. And they are shown either by double forward slash or forward slash asterisk, and then you will mention the comment, and then again you will close the comment by asterisk and forward slash. Next is the class definition. Every Java program starts with the keyword class followed by the name of the class. Now, after this, you will start curly braces, and then you will write all the statements which you want to write for the program, and after finishing those statements you will again give a closing curly braces. Means all the statements of Java program must be present within the curly braces of class. Now the third part of the Java program is that within the curly braces of class definition, the first thing which you will write will be public static void main. Means here you are writing the main function. Now main function or main method is the method or is the part where we will write the instructions so that these instructions are executed by computer. Then we have the printing statement. Suppose you want to print anything in Java like your name or some any other value, then for that you will use system.out.print or system.out.println. Now any message which you want to print, then you should give it within double quotes. Now we have decision making statements. Now these are the statements which helps us to take decision. Now how we will take the decision, it depends upon the test condition. Now a condition which is being tested will give you answer either in true or false. So according to the result of the condition, we perform the action. Now, there are three types of decision making statements in Java: if statement, if else statement, if else if statements, and switch case statement. Now, we will see all of these one by one. So, first is the if statement. Now, it is used for testing a given condition, and if the condition which is given with the if gives you true as the result, then whatever statement or statements you have written after if will be executed. So you can see that its syntax is if and then the test condition followed by the curly braces, and then after that curly braces you will write either a single statement or a group of statements, and then you will close that curly braces which you have started after if. See this example. In this example, now within the public static void main method, we have taken two variables of integer type, a whose value is 8 and b whose value is 10. Here with the if, I am checking if the value of a is less than b. So here according to the values which are given, the condition is true. So what is being done after if? Here with the system.out.println, I am printing good as a message. So here as the condition is true, so good will be printed. Then we have if else statement. Now with the if statement, there is one problem, that if the condition which is given with the if gives you false result, then in that case no statement will be given for printing, right? So if the condition is false, no output will be there. So this is replaced by if else statement, which has two statement if and else. Now condition is given with the if statement, but if the condition is false, then whatever is written after else will be executed. And if the condition given with if is true, then whatever you will write after if will be executed. Now see the example. Here in this example, the value of A is 8 and B is 12. Here I am checking the condition that if A is less than B or not. So here according to the values, the condition is true. So good will be printed. But you can see that there is else part also in this program where the statement for printing bad is written. But that statement will not be executed as the condition which is given with if is true. Now see another program code in which the value of A is 108 and B is 10, and I am checking the condition if A is less than B. No, here the condition is false. So whatever you have written after if will not be executed, but the program control will go to the else part as the condition is false, and here within the else curly braces it is written bad. So bad will be printed on the screen. Then at last we have the switch case statement. Here with the switch, we will provide one variable or any value. That value which will be matched against the case, every cases which is given after the if. Now every case is followed by a constant. That constant can be a number, it can be a character or a string. Now whichever case will be matched with the value which is given with the switch, then that case will be executed. But if the value which is given with the switch is not matching with any case, then in that condition default case will be executed. See the example. Here the value of n is 3 and I have given the cases, case 1 where I am printing hello, case 2 where I am printing friends, and then case 3 students, and the default case is wrong choice. So here with the switch I have passed n as a variable. Now the value of n is 3, so it will be matched with the case 3. Okay, so students is printed. So I hope class you must have understood these decision making statements clearly. So now further we will make program using these statements. Thank you class.